Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own group in CS2N, and I'll take you through how to do this step by step. The first thing that you need to do is sign in to your CS2N account. And once you're logged in, look for the groups button in the top right corner. Click this and it should take you to the groups page. Not everyone's page will look exactly like this because I already belong to a couple different groups. So if your account has already reached the maximum of 3 managed groups, this label here will be gray, but you can still join an existing group. But now that you're here, to create a group, click this green label and a pop-up will show up. Go ahead and create new group. And it will take you to the create a new group page. You will have to specify a group name. And you have the option to write a description for your group. You also have the option to make your group open or closed. An open group policy allows any CS2N user to join the group using the group code or group-specific URL. A closed group policy allows any CS2N user to join a waiting list for the group using the code or URL, and the group manager or admin will then allow or deny users from that waiting list. All of the group settings can be changed or edited after you create the group. So once a group has been created, you can invite users to join. On the group page, you can click Invite Group Members, and this will give you the group code and the group-specific URL that will automatically enter the group code. In an open join policy group, once a user has joined the group, they can then see all of the activities currently available in the group. In a closed group policy, any user who used the group code or URL will be placed into the member list with a question mark to their name, and the group manager will have to approve or deny them into the group. Group managers can also remove users from the group at any time by clicking on their name and selecting Remove Member. So if you click on the name, I don't have the Remove Member option because I'm the admin of the group, but if you had students in here, you can always remove them by clicking that option. So I hope this video was helpful for you to learn how to create your own CS2N group. You can check out our other videos to learn how to add activities to your group and how to track your students' progress. Thanks for watching.